So find the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by the completing square method. We know the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is given. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. But here ax square plus bx plus c, that means all positive form. Ax square here plus and here plus. That means all positive form. So in this equation, in the form of a plus b whole square, because all term are positive term. So in this equation, in the form of a plus b whole square. Now we have to derive it in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This equation in the form of a plus b whole square, because all term is positive. Now the coefficient of x square is a. The coefficient of x square is a is divided each term. Okay. Now dividing a on both sides, what shall we get? Now we get, that means this I am writing dividing a on both sides. On a means what? Coefficient of a. Okay, that x square, coefficient of x square is a. Now a is divided on both sides, so that a x square divided by a. Okay. Similarly, this term is bx divided by a plus c divided by a equal to 0 divided by. I am writing dividing a on both sides, means each term is divided. So coefficient of a, and a will be cancelled. Okay. So we get, so x square plus b by a of x plus c by a equal to 0. Okay, 0 divided a means 0. Now in this equation, in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, okay, in the form of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, but in this equation is not in the form. Now we have to convert it into the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so this equation can be written as x square means x of whole square plus 2 into your 2 into a means x, and another is b. I don't know how much b. Yes or no? So v is here, b by x, here b by a of x. That means in the form 2 into x, here v by x, that means b by 2a. Yes or no? B by 2a, here cot 2, so we get bx by a. Okay, so in case of here b is b by 2a, that means b by 2a. You cot it, 2 cot it, so 2 cot cancel, so we get bx by a. Now this term is b. Okay, so b by 2a, some adjusting term, b by 2a minus b by 2a. Okay, so plus b by 2a minus b by 2a will cancel, we get 0. This term will cancel it, so we get how much is 0. Okay, but we have to adjust. So c by a equal to 0, c by a is remain constant. But here this equation, or to x to here, this equation a plus b whole square. Okay, so x plus b is 2 by a of whole square minus this term will left b by 2a of whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Clear? So next x plus b by twice a of whole square is equal to, now in case of b, so b by 2a square minus c by a. Okay, now x plus b by 2a whole square, so b square, and 2 square is 4, a square is a square minus c by a. Okay, so implies x plus b by 2a of whole square is equal to, so taking LCM 4a square and a square, a taking LCM is 4a square, so b square minus multiply a with 4a, so 4a. Okay, so x plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Okay, so we know the square and that side is square. Now change to the other side is square root. Okay, now square convert into square root. So x plus b by 2a equal to square root, b for plus or minus, so b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square over root over. So you know square root plus or minus means plus 2 square is also 4, plus 2 square minus 2 square is 4, plus 2 square is also 4. That is, any root has two values, one is positive, another is negative. Square of any positive negative number also a positive. Okay, so x plus b by 2a is nothing but plus or minus b square minus 4ac root divided by 2a. Okay, so x equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus b square minus 4ac over root divided by 2a. Okay, so x is equal to, now taking LCM, LCM is 2a minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac of root over. Okay, so that is the value of x. But in the quadratic equation, the x has two values, x has two roots. One root is say alpha, alpha value is minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. Another one is beta, so minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. So the two as one is alpha, value of alpha is minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a, value of alpha. Another is value of beta minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Okay, now we have to find what is the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, we know alpha plus beta means coefficient of x means b divided by a. Now we have to prove what is the value of alpha plus beta. Okay, so we know alpha is equal, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Now so just to add the two terms. Okay, alpha is how much and beta is how much. So alpha plus beta is equal to alpha b plus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a plus beta is minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. So is taking LCM, LCM is 2a, so minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over minus b minus, so is equal to b square minus 4ac root over. So this term will cancel because here positive and negative and same term. Okay, so we get minus b is nothing but 2b by 2a, so minus b by a. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, now we have to prove what is the alpha plus alpha into beta. we know alpha and alpha beta is equal to C by A. Okay, so C by A. Okay, now alpha plus beta is equal to minus B plus B square minus 4AC root over by 2A into minus B minus B square minus 4AC root over by 2A. So in the multiply form, here this one is A and this one is B and this one is A and this one is B. Okay, so minus B plus B square minus 4AC root over, okay, so minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC root over divided by 2A into 2A. Okay, so here A is and B, V. So A plus B, A minus B, using square minus B square form. So is equal to minus B square minus, using this formula, square minus B square minus 4AC root over square divided by 4A square. Okay, is equal to, so negative square of any negative integer square is always positive because power is even. Power is even means positive. Okay, so minus square and square root will be cancelled. So we get B square minus 4AC divided by 4A square. Okay, so alpha plus beta is equal to B square. Now multiply the negative sign inside the bracket. So minus B square. So minus minus will be plus 4AC divided by 4A square. So B square will cancel. So we get 4AC by 4A square. 4 will cancel. So A will cancel, which equals C by A. So alpha plus beta is equal to C by A. Okay. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A and alpha beta is equal to C by A.